Today's video is on 1971 India-Pakistan War, and we should also see that which country had supported India and which countries had supported Pakistan in a war. But before starting, do subscribe to Arjun Defense TV and press the bell icon for further interesting video. First we see that why did the war started between India and Pakistan. Basically it was between East and West Pakistan. East Pakistan, which was currently Bangladesh, was a Bengali majority, but the politician of the West Pakistan made Urdu the official language without thinking of East Pakistanis who spoke Bengali language. Not only this, but the leader of East Pakistan were not getting as much importance as a West Pakistan. East Pakistan was rich in resource, but these resources were being used and money was being spent more on West Pakistan than East Pakistan. This made people of East Pakistan angry. When East Pakistan raised concern over this, not only did Pakistani army massacre innocent people of East Pakistan, but also raped their women. All limits of brutality was crossed in East Pakistan by a Pakistani soldiers. Because of such massacre, Bangladeshi refugees start coming to India. When this number became more than lakhs, it became concern for India. It was a moral duty of India to save them. Then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi told Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw to launch attack on East Pakistan, but he refuses and told that they will do it on a right time. The reason for denying the attack on Pakistan was a future climate. The rainy season was near to come, and Sam Manekshaw knew that if he attack on Pakistan at this time, then it will be suicidal decision for India. He did not want to repeat the mistake of Americans what they have done in Vietnam War, which resulted that the American has lost Vietnam War. He was really a smart man, hats off. Then PM Indira Gandhi visited US, but President Nixon didn't show any support towards India. That made PM Indira Gandhi to do a defense treaty with USSR. Why did US help Pakistan? US helped Pakistan because they thought if India won the war with the help of USSR, influence of USSR will increase in South Asia as well as in Southeast Asia. Other than this, Pakistan was a major non-NATO ally of a US. Pakistan was with US during Cold War. Who supported Pakistan? Pakistan was supported by many countries like USA, UK, France, UAE, Jordan, Turkey, Iran, Sri Lanka and Saudi Arabia. Jordan, Turkey, Iran, UAE, France gave their aircraft support to Pakistan Air Force against Indian Air Force. Indonesia gave a naval vessel to Pakistan for fighting against India. Sri Lanka helped Pakistan by allowing Pakistani aircraft to refuel at Sri Lankan air bases. China also wanted to support, but because of USSR, China did not dare to attack India, neither tried to help Pakistan. And it was only the USSR who stopped US and Royal Navy, that is Britain Navy, from attacking India. Now let's see why did USA send Navy fleet against India. Even after support of many countries, Pakistan forces were about to lose the war. Seeing this, US wanted to interfere directly in conflict. To save Pakistan from India, US sent its 7th Fleet of a Navy in the Bay of Bengal. At the same time, UK sent one of its Navy fleet in Arabian Sea. They both wanted to attack on India, but PM Indira Gandhi was smart enough. She had already done defense treaty with USSR. USSR intelligence found that aircraft carrier Eagle of a Royal Navy is coming towards Arabian Sea. So USSR sent its 10th Operative Battle Group to counter American and Royal Navy. On 13 December 1971, USSR Navy come in a Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, and on 14th December, Royal Navy aircraft carrier Eagle and American Navy 7th Fleet come closer to the Arabian Sea and a Bay of Bengal respectively. But when they saw Russian defending India with a nuclear submarine, Royal Aircraft Carrier Eagle went to Madagascar and 7th Fleet returned. Now let's see how prepared was India against US. Though US Navy's 7th Fleet was being led by nuclear power aircraft carrier USS Enterprises with many nuclear powered submarines. In fact, it was the most powerful navy fleet, but brave Indian Navy was ready to fight with US with the aircraft carriers INS Vikrant, which was leading Eastern Command of Indian Navy. INS Vikrant was about 1/3 of US Enterprises, but USSR showed its friendship and didn't let US and UK attack on India. On 15 December 1971, Indian soldiers forced Pakistani soldiers to surrender in Dhaka. This is largest surrender of soldiers and Bangladesh became an independent country. Now let's see about the Mukti Bahini. Mukti Bahini was a group of trained civilians of East Pakistan who also fought against West Pakistan. They were trained by Indian Armed Forces. This was the story of a 1971 war. Though India interfered for liberation of Bangladesh, but still the Bangladeshis asked us question that what we have done for them. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit like button. If you want to see more videos, hit subscribe button. If you have something to say, please leave comment below. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching and Jai Hind.